This is the brief on fixing Chrome's "this site can't be reached" error. You know that incredibly frustrating Windows error? Well, it's really just a simple network miscommunication, and we're going to bypass it in seconds. First, let's look at the root cause. Chrome and Windows are, well, super eager to use a newer protocol called IPv6. But if your local network or internet provider doesn't fully support it yet, the connection just totally fails. You just got to force the system to use the older, universally understood language, which is IPv4. Second, we can fix this with a few quick clicks. You're going to open up your Windows control panel, head over to Network and Sharing Center, and click on your active network, like your Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Next, open Properties and just uncheck the box labeled Internet Protocol version 6. You might actually see it listed as TCP IPv6. Hit OK and restart Chrome. Now, you might be asking, wait a second, are we literally breaking our internet by turning off a piece of the network protocol? Finally, let's cover the safety caveat. Disabling IPv6 is completely safe because most standard home and office networks are still running on that older IPv4 infrastructure anyway. But hey, if you do happen to notice any weird, brand new connection issues later on, you can always just go right back and recheck that box. By stepping in and forcing your computer to use the older, universally supported IPv4 standard, you can instantly clear Chrome's most annoying roadblock and get right back to browsing.